Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2025 Porsche Panamera submodel 4, full wrap, Xpel Ultimate Plus, full window tint with XR Plus, and a ceramic coating over that for a 5-year. This car originally came to us, it's brand new to the owner, has about 1,200 miles. They noticed about 6 or 7 minor little rock hits on the front, and decided to put PPF on it, and here it is. So what they're looking for is to make sure that the benefits of the car and what they like doesn't change, meaning that all the edges get wrapped in, like around this fender, how it comes around the headlight, how it comes into the hood here, how it comes under the fender. They wanted to make sure that all this stayed fully wrapped for protection and for appearance. These come off, and that's how you achieve that. Rolling it under the door is not a problem. Rolling it inside into the glass roof, not a problem. So, and that's what they wanted. And then on top of that, the proper installation, getting away from debris, stretching marks, other marks that can be caused from mishandling when you put the film on. But everything is fully wrapped on this car. All your edges are all wrapped in. All these edges, this A-pillar all the way underneath, this fender all the way down, the mirror all the way around. This A-pillar is all one section, coming all the way back here to the taillight. When we get to the fuel door, we wrap all that in. So it comes from the fender in, and the fuel door, no line around it. This rear quarter panel light or window, fully wrapped in. So no lines at all. We put a carbon fiber piece of paint protection film on this wing to give it some change. We're gonna do the mirrors. Unfortunately, there's too many small sections and there'd have been too much seaming. It wouldn't have looked that great. Coming into the bumper, all one piece, fully wrapped in everywhere. Wrapped in under these tail lights and so forth. And much more of the same over here. So just a quick video showing we're keeping up with what we do. Never changes. The door handles were done. Door handles can get tough because they're getting touched so much, especially the driver one. But I tell clients, if there's any issues, come see me. We have no problem replacing that. Anything on here is always guaranteed as long as you own it by us. The factory warranty for the PPF is 10 years. Our installation we cover as long as you own it. And that's as simple as it gets. So there it is, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Email clearbrownorthdallas@gmail, and cell 940-703-8301. Landline 214-414-3809. Thanks for watching. Like us, follow us. Any questions, feel free to send them. Thanks.